We bring entertainment and we bring safety and we bring innovation to the vehicle. We implemented one of the greatest ERP systems in the world, SAP. And anybody that works with SAP will tell you, what is it? It's a lot of data. Our project was around an existing data platform and moving to a new data platform. That data platform being Microsoft Azure with Power BI as our data visualization. But at the end of the day, it presented a new problem. And that problem was, we have all this data we've never had before. And so we had this vision that said, we need a data lake and a data warehouse that can bring all that data to one place, and then we can use that to look at different variables of problems. The data lake was a real key for a couple of reasons. The first thing is, the most important for our team as the data team is around data quality, data timeliness, and data accuracy. And so having this ability to put all of this into a data lake, and then you bring it out of that data lake and you start to look at it situationally, and it's amazing how you can find where you have issues around data. Issues we never even considered or never even thought about.
The data lake will allow our business users to make more informed decisions based on the fact that we can get data to them in a lot quicker fashions. With our previous data platform, if they wanted to get a new table of data pulled out and into that data warehouse, sometimes that would take us a week or two to get that, just based on the processes that had to be in place to get that extract going. With the new platform, we can literally connect to SAP, point it at the tables that they want, and get it out and start checking the data quality right away.
But then there are other situations that you think about are cross-functional. These are complex issues, complex problems. And we can grab those groups and get them together to talk about those. And guess what? We're building a data story. And that is really exciting to be a part of. Then we start to think about external forces that affect that data. And that's where your artificial intelligence can really come into play, as well as your machine learning, because you can start to introduce some of those variables out there. We see us being data-driven people that see the data, we make good decisions based on that data, and sometimes, yes, we react to the data, but other times we get to plan ahead and be ahead of the curve. The first part that we're seeing on a return on investment is really in our efficiency. And by efficiency, really what I mean is our data team. Because again, in our previous environment, we found ourselves doing a lot more support. It's probably fair to say that in essence, we spent around 50% of our time around support in a given month. We're now seeing that time drop down probably 20%, maybe even less. I never viewed Capgemini as a partner in this project. I never did. I viewed him as just one of my team members. The great thing that I'm proud of with this project is it was a smashing success. I mean, after all, we ended on time, we ended in budget. Doesn't get any better than that.